What is SupraCLI? SupraCLI is how developers communicate with Supra's Layer 1 when building smart contracts. Now if you're wondering, what does CLI even mean? CLI stands for Command Line Interface. It's a tool that runs in your terminal by typing commands instead of clicking buttons in a window. You can think of SupraCLI like a remote control that's for Supra's blockchain. It lets you create wallets, runs commands, deploy smart contracts, and interface with the network directly from the terminal. This is the last piece of the puzzle. Haven't installed Cursor or Docker yet? No worries, those videos are going to be linked below. Now that you know what SupraCLI is, let's walk through on how to set it up. Now let's go through the process of downloading SupraCLI, but a quick note before you get started. If you're wondering where I'm getting all this information, it's all going to be from the official docs from Supra. The link will be in the description. Make sure Docker is running in the background before you begin. Anytime you're using SupraCLI, Docker needs to be opened. The way we can check this is by writing in Docker by searching it. It will look like this while running in the background. For right now, we can minimize it. Let's start off by step 1. Open up your command prompt. We can do it by searching command. We're going to start the SupraCLI environment by using Docker Compose. This will give us a clean, consistent workspace with everything pre-installed, so you don't need to mess around with manual setup. For this example, we recommend you to go into the Documents folder, but feel free to go to any directory. I can do this by writing cd documents. Then run the curl and Docker Compose command. This will pull up the latest setup and start the container. You can open Docker to confirm that the container is now running. You can see that the container is now running. Now minimize it for the time being. Once that's done, a new folder named Supra will appear in the current directory. CD into that folder. I can do that by writing cd Supra. Now that the container is running, we need to step inside of it to use SupraCLI. In the command prompt, run the command to enter the container. Now that you're inside the container, type Supra and press enter. You'll see the list of all the available commands for SupraCLI, and from here, you're ready to start building. If you're enjoying these videos, leave a comment and share your journey. We'd love to see what you're building. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy coding.